So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to have a look about do while loop. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as you guys know, as we have looked in the further videos for loop and while loop, and this is the do while loop, the three loops, the three loops that we have are these three. The parameters would be same in all of them. That would be initialization. Next is our condition, sorry, and the third word is increment or decrement. So all these three things are necessary for any of the loops, and we are going to use it, but the way we will use them will be different in all of them. So let's have a look about do while loop. So initialization will be always outside of this thing. I mean the body or do, which whatever we are using. So here it is do, the do tag, and here will be while with a semicolon. I know it sounds a bit different, but yeah, you have to put here semicolon, and sorry, and there would be condition here as we used to do in while loop, and here will be our code and increment or decrement. So this is how the do while loop works. So let's take one simple example. So we'll end it down here, and there we go. So let's take a simple example here. What we will do, we will ask a user input, and unless and until the input would be right, we will ask them again and again without destroying the loop. Yeah. So if the answer or the input would be wrong, they will ask them again. So let's first take a variable which will initialize here. So that would be integer input, I would say. Then our do keyword. Then here will be while, as I said, with condition and semicolon. So this is our structure. Let's take a printf statement where we'll ask them to make an input. So please enter your input here. So, and there's a semicolon, and let's get it as a scanf, and there will be percentage d down here for integers, and ampersand input to fetch the address. So this is where our code will be, as we saw here, and we have asked from the user input here, and here will be our condition. So the condition would be if the input would be less than 0, if it will be in minus, then we should ask them again, and if it is greater than 9, then also we should ask them again. So the number the user should enter is 0 to 9, that's it. So let's get it started. So that is if input is greater than 0, oh sorry, I mean less than 0, and there will be or input is less than, sorry, greater than 9, pardon my thing, that was a long day. So this is our condition that we have set up here. So let's run this program and have a look how it goes. So please enter your input here. So for example, if I'm putting here -3, So they're asking please enter your input. If I'm entering a number greater than 9, 12, but if we go for I would say 7, there we go, boom. So we are here with the do while program. So this is how it works, the do while program, as we saw here. I hope this video would be helpful for you guys, and probably we'll see you in the next video with some new concepts. So stay tuned on the channel and do subscribe to the channels. Till that time, see you guys.